Hey guys, and welcome back to the So Vegan Kitchen. Today we are cooking up another delicious meal. It's going to be one of our quick and healthy recipes. It's part of the series and it's going to be incredible. Make sure you put your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel because we're going to be bringing loads of delicious recipes to you over the foreseeable future, one could say.
Over the foreseeable future, I predict many a recipe from So Vegan.
I think there'll be more than one.
Right, enough of that.
Yeah,
what
enough of that. We're going to be making sweet potato nachos. So this is nachos with a healthy twist. We're going to be using sweet potato as the nacho crisps. So it's not going to be as fatty and as salty. They're going to be healthier. They're baked.
Also, sweet potato, really high in vitamins, really good for you, and a great source of nutrition.
There we go.
Yeah.
Doctor over here. Then we're going to be topping it with a few quirky things. We've got jackfruit here. We're going to pull it. It's going to look like pulled pork, so it's going to be quite thick in texture and dense. Then we're going to be doing something else totally quirky. We're going to be making a mango salsa just to mix it up. This dish is going to be full of vibrant colours. There's going to be loads of freshness as well. And I'm excited to get started.
Has this dish got a dance?
Salsa, 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 salsa.
Salsa's all in the
salsa,
hips, isn't it? Like this.
Yeah,
No?
you kind of got it. You're like a wiggle. I feel like you need to go bam, 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 bam.
Anyway, back onto the recipe.
Back on track.
What's the first thing to do?
We're going to slice up the sweet potato nice and thinly, and then we're going to get it on a baking tray and get it baked. So we've sliced the sweet potato a couple of millimeters thick. So get the sweet potato on a baking tray. You might need two, just because there's a lot of potato going on. Drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and onion granules. Then we're going to get in there with our hands and just combine everything together and lay the sweet potato on the baking tray so they're not touching each other. Then pop the sweet potato in the preheated oven for around 20 minutes.
Now we're going to move on to the next component of the dish, and that is the jackfruit. Now, not a lot of people realise this, but jackfruit is very high in antioxidants.
Win.
It serves a very good purpose as a meat substitute. Not only does it look good and taste good, it's also very good for you as well. So we're going to start by preparing this jackfruit, and we're going to trim off the cores, and these cores can be quite tough, so we're just going to slice these down into little strips. So now that's done, we're going to fry it off. So add a light drizzle of oil to a frying pan on a medium heat and throw in the jackfruit. If you want, you could also make this without oil, so just add a splash of water at the start before you add the jackfruit. Along with the jackfruit, we're going to add some southern fried seasoning mix, some soy sauce for depth, throw in some garlic powder, bit of tomato puree, drizzle some fresh lime juice for acidity. We're also going to add some maple syrup for a touch more sweetness. Give everything a good stir, make sure all those flavours and all those ingredients are combined. Once that's been frying off for a couple of minutes, we're just going to add some water to make sure it doesn't dry out in the pan. Give everything a good stir. When you're done, pop the lid on and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So while the jackfruit's cooking, use the back of a wooden spoon just to break it down into those lovely shredded pieces.
Right, sweet potatoes in the oven, jackfruit's on the hob, simmering away nicely.
Yep.
It's looking great. It's really tomatoey and thick in there.
Did you get a whiff of that?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, now it's time to crack on with all our freshness. We're going straight in with the mango salsa. So we're gonna dice a mango. So we're just gonna slice around the stone. Oh, look how juicy that is. It smells so tropical. I love mango. Then we're gonna go in and do a crisscross pattern. Cubes of mango. Then the other way. I'm going to spoon it out, so lovely and ripe. Oh. Make sure you get all the flesh. So I'm just trimming around the stone now and getting all that lovely, soft and ripe mango. Just cut these long strips to little cubes and we're done. Next up, we're going to dice a red onion. Next up, we're going to dice up half a cucumber. Really easy, straight down the middle. Also, we're going to add some coriander to the salsa. So I've got about a handful here and just going to roughly chop it up. And we're just going to throw everything straight into the mixing bowl. And a salsa wouldn't be a salsa without a squeeze of lime. So straight in with half a lime. Then season with salt and pepper. And voila, finished. Right, salsa is done. It's looking fresh and super vibrant.
So colourful.
Yeah, I love it.
Love mango salsa. Right, sweet potato's done as well, so we've taken it out of the oven. And this jackfruit is pretty much done as well. So we're going to turn it off the heat, take the lid off, and then we're going to break up any last remaining pieces with the back of a spoon.
And then we'll just add a little bit of salt and pepper just to season it off at the end. Right guys, this is the moment we have all been waiting for. The sweet potatoes done. We had about 2 trays worth, we put it all on one tray, and now it's time to build the nachos. So the sweet potato is lovely and crisp. Some of them have curled up a little bit. This is perfect. And the first thing to go on top of our sweet potatoes is our lovely jackfruit. Next up, we're gonna get our salsa all over the top. Oh, look at that. Amazing pop of color. This is the bit you can get really creative. We're gonna top with some radishes. We love that amazing pink color and that crunch. And we're just gonna sprinkle these all over the top. We're also gonna top with avocado. So I'm just gonna halve it, spoon out the flesh, and then slice it up. Also, we're gonna slice up some red chilies, get them on top. We're gonna top with a few more bits of coriander just for that extra freshness. So this is the final thing. We are literally here now. We're just gonna finish with a little bit of vegan yogurt.
Oh my God.
Wow, look at it, it's done.
We are ready to eat.
It's incredible.
Also, Friday night, it's starting to rain. Look at the clouds.
It's gonna be so cozy. Can't wait to get on that sofa, put a film on, obviously. Barrel, and tuck it into this. Yes. I feel like this is the perfect amount for me and you.
It's Friday night, and I'm feeling right. It's Friday night. What Right.
You're like teasing me with the singing. I want to eat now. Let's go. That is so, you've got Friday night written all over it. So much flavour going on there, loads of bursts of colour. There's the sweetness from the mango, Southern fried seasoning, all of the jackfruit is really chewy and kind of moorish and delicious.
You know what? When people think of nachos, they probably think something unhealthy, something really cheesy, something that's a bit of a treat. This doesn't have to be a treat. This is like so healthy, really nutritious. Also, the best thing about it as well, it's just quick and healthy. You're gonna get it done in less than half an hour. Show it off to your mates or just enjoy it all to yourself at home. All mine.
Where are you going? Are you serious? Come on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed the recipe. I cannot wait to go and devour this now. Nachos, healthy nachos. Who'd have thought it? We've created it. Make sure you put a thumbs up if you like the video and also comment below. We'd love hearing from you guys and make sure, most importantly, you subscribe because there will be more videos in the future. Peace out. What?